Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be making this simple thank you card using this beautiful bundle, the Tropical Chic bundle with this stamp set and the tropical thinlits dies that coordinate beautifully. And I was inspired by a card I saw in the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog, and so I wanted to give it a try. And so to get started, we need a piece of the Granny Apple Green cardstock, and this is cut at 4 by 8 and scored at 4 so that I can fold it in half. Okay, and then I have a piece of the Tropical Escape Designer Series paper stack, and it's these beautiful palm leaves here, and it is cut at 3 3/4 inch square. 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 so that it sits right on top here. And I wanted to let you know that this that die cuts these beautiful tropical leaves, will also cut out these in the designer paper. Okay, so be sure and check that out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and layer this. I love these colors: shaded spruce, basic black, whisper white, Granny Apple Green, and then the Blushing Bride. So pretty. Okay, make sure I have this right. Let's just center that and give it that 1/4 inch border on each side. Okay, and now I have a strip of this diagonal stripe pattern that's in that stack, and I cut that at, let's see, that's 1/2 inch by 3 3/4 so that it goes across the designer paper here. And I'm just going to attach that right there with some snail and come up about half an inch from the bottom and just go straight across with it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add our little embellishments here. Now this is a 4 by 4 card, and I will still mail this in a standard size envelope. So I want it to be able to go through the mail, so I don't want to put it in a smaller custom envelope and pay extra postage if it's square. And you know, there's specifications, and you can find those in the United States on the USPS.com site. But on these, I just like to keep it easy. Look how pretty that is. Oh, love it. Okay, so now I'm going to take a piece of this Granny Apple Green ribbon. It's cut about 8 inches, and you can see I cut the ends at an angle. And I'm going to use it folded in half, going over the top here. And if it extends a bit beyond the 4-inch square card, that's okay. It'll still go into that envelope. And I'm going to put some snail on the back here. And I'm going above that stripe piece here, okay? And then I'm going to fold it in half and just come down at an angle so it's just not one layer on top of the other, but gives it a little more interest. Okay, let me fold this now. Just like that. Okay. Now let's do some stamping. I have one of the lighter prints, lighter colored prints from that Designer Series paper stack, and some Tuxedo Black Memento ink with that thank you sentiment that is also in that stamp set. And I'm just going to stamp it here to give me room to use the Taylor Tag Punch and punch it out, just like that. And I think I'm going to use Stampin' Dimensionals here to just pop that up. Maybe one on each corner or side. And I think that will do. Okay. Just like that. And then I have one of the Tropical Elements buttons that I've already attached to a glue dot here. And I'll just pull that up and attach it right here on the ribbon. Okay, there is a simple card, thank you card for you. Great for summertime crafting, and love this bundle. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Please visit my website at inkinspirations.com, where you can find the details and the cutting dimensions for these cards. And I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.